Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to rename your bookmarks on Google Docs. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up Google Docs using your desktop shortcut or by using your web browser. Once you open it up, you can open your desired document where you want to edit your bookmark. Now, if you want to learn how to create a bookmark, then we already have a video made for you, so you might want to check that one out first. Now here we already have a bookmark that we have created. This is the link that we can click on, which will redirect us to our bookmark. Now since there is no direct option to rename it, you can simply click on the remove button and then rename your title. Then just select it with your cursor and click on insert and bookmark. Now your new bookmark has been renamed. If you go back to the original link, it will also be changed to the new bookmark. And there you have it. That is how you can change the name of your bookmark on Google Docs. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell and you will never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.